And Colleen Dominguez is at Torrey Pines. Colleen, how did Tiger feel about his first round of the year?
Evening, Jay. Well, overall, he was happy with it. He said the North course played a little faster than he expected, but he came in with a 69, and he's not complaining.
I'm happy with the way things started out today. You know, it's been a while since I've had a 69, given everything that's happened over the past year. I was a little nervous at first, but once I got started, it felt like old times. I feel like my old self again, and mark my words, there will be more 69s in my future.